Che, I'm covered kakhulu by ama members wethu la ekhaya. But che, as we laugh la phakathi, enhlizweni yami kubhlungu kakhulu. This is a week eseremindwe ukuthi South Africa ithengisiwe. And okubhlungu sikhunjuzwa ke manje ukuthi ke na futhi siyaboniswa ke manje ukuthi iSouth Africa izodayiswa sibhekile singezukusho lutho futhi. Che ngibuza ukuthi uminister nje behleli lapha insizwa yakithi uthini ngesibongo sakhe, uthini ngomndeni wakhe, uyacabangela ukuthi kusasa this will go in the history ukuthi ungomunye wabadayisi and udayisa ngesilungu, udayisa in a very urban way other than before ngaleya nkathi abantu besadayisa ubefaka itayere eshiswa. Che kubhlungu ukuthi sibukele iSouth Africa ihleli no Trump edelela umongameli wezwe who is supposed to be representing us but ehluleke. Che, I'm sorry, I'm not going to sugarcoat this one, and I plead with you, Che, ukuthi ngathi ungasinika isikhathi, because this is not about the policy or this gazette kuphela. This in total is ukuthathwa kwezwe, because this Starlink issue has a lot in it. It has cyber security enkulu kabi la ekuthenini kuthathwe izwe lethu futhi lichiqilelwe phansi. Isimilo Che kuminister yasibuza ukuthi uvuma kanjani ukuthi kuxoxwe phambi kwakhe ukuthi akususwe i30% efike kanzima Che. Yabona kuze Che kufike ku30%, it was when abantu abamnyama in business bengakhona ukufinyelela bathola amathuba. They will be told that their companies are not well experienced, they don't have those services, they don't qualify for certain grades. Kwaphuma isinqumo under uPresident Zuma clear in the constitution ukuthi these laws are made to develop umuntu omnyama nokuthi skill sisale la South Africa baphinde bawuthola umsebenzi as business people. Sifika kanjani ukuthi insizwa yakithi emnyama ihlale nabanye ivuma ukuthi cha umuntu omnyama akanganikwa lento, akungena icompany yangaphandle ingavunyelwa ivumelwe ukuthi ingalandeli imigomo yeGNU yelokhunja yase South Africa but ilandele yeGNU. Che, in the midst of my question Honorable Colin Makhubela comes the act engiyiboniswa Honorable Usobulana ezothi ubuza a question ukuthi i-leader yabo i-leader yabo Che in the Oval Office, are there deals cut behind the scene? And we are sitting here Che, we are calling ourselves, or you are calling yourselves into a GNU. Where is the GNU lapho? Because we're supposed to be collectively deciding this thing nonke as GNU. You are one in this thing. Che, it cannot be umkhonto wesizwe usaphila ukuthi abantu abamnyama bazodayiswa izwe labo sibhekile. Kunendoda lapha Che eyagwazwa, if I may check on my phone, I just forgot the name, Emmanuel Sithole. Wagwazwa ngesikhathi seZenefoba attacks Che. Kulwela ukuthi sithi ama-foreigners athatha imisebenzi yabantu eSouth Africa. Yet makufika umlungu othi skrephani lama BEE rules asimbone as a foreigner. Sithi asike hlale phansi, the whole minister uyagazetha. Che, isikhathi sokuthi bafika ama company asikhandele ama boreholes aspendele amaklasi siphelile manje as skills development. Ngiyafuna Che ukuthi siyibhekisise lento ukuthi alingadayiswa izwe lethu sibhekile. And minister lobu angazi mina ngizobiza straight ubugebengu lento yenzayo ukuthi uzogazetha lento engekho emthethweni ukuthi kuze kusuke nje kunela belungu. I'm going to ask a question as straightforward kuwe Mr. Minister. Ngiyambona uminister uhlele emva kwakho ngoba wena ngiyabona wena uminister nangu minister la emva kwakho. Cela ungibuzele ke ungitranslateele. Indlela engithukuthekele ngayo isilungu asiphumi siyala. Cela ungibuzele kuminister emva kwakho ukuthi Njengoba kuthumile uyazi ukuthi iBEE lo 30% wakhandelwane. You see Chair, Umkhonto weSizwe says we must change this Roman Dutch law. This is one of the reasons we want to change this constitution. Because it opens ama loopholes amaningi, Chair. For one lapha ku9 it says there's a or there. That opens this door to this thing ukuthi bangene bavulele Starlink la. You go to Land Expropriation Act, Chair. It says nil compensation, where it should be saying zero compensation. That's the reason why we must change this constitution, because this constitution, it designed kahle benza lobugebengu lapha phakathi ukuthi uma kufika isikhathi esiso icloze liso masilifaka solifaka lisivulela umnyango la. So Chair, we may sugarcoat this thing and think ukuthi sikhuluma ngegazethwa. No, sikhuluma ngeStarlink ekumele singeniswe sizoganga la eSouth Africa esingafuna ukuhlonipha imithetho yaSouth Africa. Uyangixaka mina uMinister ukuthi ufika kanjani ekuthatheni decision ukuthi akudelelwe iSouth Africa phambi kwakhe. Uthini ngomndeni wakhe? Uthini ngesibongo sakhe? Sikhula Chair, kwakuthiwe emaphoyiseni mozosebenza bakubuza ukuthi uzokwazi ukubopha uma wakho uma egangile. Uzokwazi ngizubheke former minister ubheke icele ethi ubuziwe ukuthi yazini uma ngingambopha uZuma sobopha nini. I feel this is the same situation where uminister kutsheliwe ukuthi uma ungakwenzi lokho uzolamba umndeni wakho. Minister, are you serving South Africans or are you serving umndeni wakho? If you are saving South Africans, do you feel ukuthi lento is right for South Africa? Ukuthi scrap kungadevelop abantu abamnyama 30% usuke khona lapho. Ayo kahle insizwa yakithi awubuye nganene. Ngiyabonga.
See, hola, Maule. I'm Commander Morning. Washa. Why some cunt? Why some cunt? Washa. I'm going in. Why some cunt? Quase. How